What's going on, guys? Alright, so we are up on a early Sunday morning. We are on our way to Jayfab. Gonna pick up the car. Car is done. It's about an hour drive or so. It shouldn't be too bad. I mean, they hurt anybody on the road. But yeah, I'm here at the gas station. Just filled up, pulled some cash out, and a drink and a little snack. So we're gonna be on our way, and we'll go pick up the car and take it back home and get it unloaded, get ready to put it back together. So let's do this. Alright, guys, got the car home. Haven't done much videoing because I want to get the car and everything set up and everything. Really busy day. Got the car in the garage, got on stands, and really love how everything came out. But before I show you that, be sure to hit up Jayfab Performance. He's here in Frisco, Texas. He does amazing work. If you need anything done, turbo setup, front end work, or just anything performance wise, he's the man to hit up. So he's originally done the turbo setup on the white hatch, and we pretty much converted everything over to this car, and he just fixed everything I damaged when we had the wreck. But he did an amazing job on his car. I can't be any more happier with everything. So let me show you what I got done. I hope you enjoy what I got done to the car, and it's going to be a totally different car. I can tell you that right now. Alright, so I got the garage door closed. It's dark outside, plus I don't want to be blocking out light. But went with the tubular front end. It's a Codion. He's one that builds them. It's a nice looking kit. Everything's welded in. Got the turbo setup all fixed up, all new piping. We're doing a forward facing elbow this time. It's actually a different elbow in general. It's a Holly FI, like a low profile elbow versus the tall one I had, which is right there. So he modified the elbow a little bit. He cut it off, kind of give it a little bit of angle, so it'll give me some room here for the dual sync distributor here. We are changing up. Got that done. Even shortened my throttle cable because it was a little too long. Shortened that up. Fabricated. Well, I had a bracket, kind of just fixed it up for me and made it work. Looks great. All the turbo setup, it's all done. Read all the piping. Removed the blow-off valve to the driver's side. Originally it was on the passenger side. Got that done. Minimized couplers, you can see. We got, 4 or 5 couplers total. We got one here. One here goes into the on-3 intercooler. Here and there and going out. One here. Right here where the fender is. And lastly, here for the throttle body. This is an on-3 intercooler. You're probably wondering why I got 4-inch pipe on a 4-inch intercooler. Well, because on-3 don't make a 4-inch in or out on an intercooler. So what he does is he cuts the 3-inch off and welds a 4-inch on. Works beautifully. Still need to get some clamps and all. Fixed the downpipe. He fixed this section right here. It's as on the wreck. It pushed it into the pulley, so it just tore it up. So we replaced that spot. Still got our bung here for our O2 or for our wideband sensor. Another thing I changed, what we'll be doing is going to run all AN fittings for coolant. So I got 16 AN on thermostat housing here. Got one welded on for the water pump, and I don't have the radiator out here. Still in the truck, but I got AN fittings for the radiator as well. Made a custom little bracket here for the radiator so it doesn't move. You got the lower supports here. So yeah, guys, this is coming along really well. I'm excited how it all came out. Looks beautiful. Now we just gotta get, you know, everything wired up. Still need to work on the alignment a little bit. It's a little off, but I just kind of eyeballed it best I could because we're just gonna push it on off the trailer. Yeah, guys, we got the whole front end done. It looks, I absolutely love it. It came out really well. Just got to order a few clamps. I still have some, but I broke a few. But probably gonna buy some new ones. You know, replace what aren't good. Yeah. Now we're just gonna work on getting the ECU in. I need to put I got subframe connectors I'm gonna put in. I guess I could have done that, but I didn't. I was gonna save that because that's really an easy task for me to do. But the only downfall is I need to get weight. I need to get the suspension loaded down before we put them on. So I may just stick some ramps underneath these tires. The back tires have jacks underneath it, so there's actually weight on the axles. Yeah, get that done. Might do it this weekend. Probably gonna weld in the subframe connectors. Should be plenty strong enough to do it that. I don't know if you guys just weld them in and they hold just fine. And I may have a lead on quarter windows. We'll see. We'll see Friday. See if he has them. If he does, we'll probably pick them up. It's a lot better shape than what I have now. Mine are absolutely done. But guys, I hope you're excited as much as I am. I am ready to get this car together. Hopefully we can get it done before Fox Fest of next year. Hopefully COVID, you know, doesn't just, you know, ruin that. It ruined a lot of stuff this year as far as racing and stuff. You know, box buy meets and everything. But hopefully we can get this car all together, ready to roll. And start breaking some pulls and, you know, let's keep it out of the ditch. Oh, another thing, while it's on my mind, I am thinking about making t-shirts. I want to see what y'all think about it. If you say, you know, yay or nay. I'm not sure what the design yet. I'm thinking probably might find somebody to design a shirt for me. I have a general idea of a shirt design I'd like to do. But if you're interested, leave a comment down below. It sure help the channel out. And may pick out, you know, somebody in the comments for a mod for the car. Who knows? We'll figure it out. But guys, I'm gonna wrap up this video here. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Hopefully you enjoyed everything we got done to the car. And until next time, be sure to subscribe, like, share, and I'll see y'all later.